How to delete Spotify account. Let's get started with the video. Initially open the Spotify app on your device. Then tap the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Next go to settings and privacy. Then select about option. From here click on support. Now click on the search bar that appears and type close my account and delete my data. Again click on close your premium account and delete your data. At this point you will need to chat with Spotify. Click on close my account. When you receive a message saying they have sent an email, open your email. In the email, click on close my account. Finally, you will see a confirmation prompt saying all done. Here's the thing to remember. While deleting your Spotify account, you can still reactivate your account within 7 days. However, after 7 days, your account will be permanently deleted. With this step, you have successfully deleted your Spotify account.